Welcome back to our Total Quality Management training series. Today we're focusing on an important tool used in TQM, root cause analysis, a critical skill for identifying and solving problems at their source. Effective root cause analysis prevents recurring issues and drives continuous improvement. We'll cover key techniques like the 5 whys and the Fishbone Diagram and show you how to conduct a thorough root cause investigation. Let's get started. Root cause analysis, or RCA, is a systematic process for identifying the fundamental cause of a problem. By addressing the root cause instead of just treating symptoms, you can prevent the issue from happening again. Here's an example. A machine stops working due to a blown fuse. Replacing the fuse fixes the problem temporarily, but without understanding why the fuse blew, the issue will likely recur. RCA digs deeper to find the underlying cause, like an electrical overload or improper maintenance. Before we dive into the techniques, let's review the key principles of root cause analysis. First, focus on the root cause, not symptoms. Symptoms are the visible effects of a problem. Addressing only symptoms can provide temporary relief, but the issue will resurface. For example, if a production delay is caused by machine failure, simply rescheduling won't solve the real problem. Second, use data and evidence. Assumptions can lead to incorrect conclusions. Instead, base your analysis on measurable data and documented observations. This ensures accuracy and credibility in your findings. Third, be systematic. A structured approach prevents you from overlooking critical factors. Systematic processes like using a flowchart or step-by-step analysis ensure thoroughness and repeatability. Fourth, build a team with the right people. RCA benefits from diverse perspectives. Include team members who have first-hand experience with the problem, such as operators, engineers, or supervisors. Their insights are invaluable. Fifth, aim for prevention. The ultimate goal of RCA is to prevent recurrence. Effective solutions address the root cause and incorporate safeguards to avoid future problems. And last, avoid using human error as the root cause. Labeling human error as the root cause often halts the analysis prematurely. Instead, ask why the error occurred. Was it due to insufficient training, unclear instructions, or an unrealistic workload? Addressing these underlying factors leads to meaningful improvements. The 5 whys is one of the simplest and most effective RCA tools. It involves asking why repeatedly until you uncover the root cause. Here's how it works. Step 1. Clearly define the problem. For example, a shipment was delayed. Step 2. Ask why. For instance, why was the shipment delayed? Answer, the truck arrived late. Step 3. Keep asking why, until you reach the root cause. By the 5th why, you might discover that poor scheduling caused the delay. Remember, the number 5 is a guideline. Sometimes it takes fewer or more questions to reach the root cause. With practice, performing the 5 whys exercise will get easier. The Fishbone Diagram, also known as the Ishikawa Diagram, is another powerful RCA tool. It helps you visually organize potential causes of a problem into categories. Here's how to create one. Identify the problem. Write it at the head of the fish. Draw major cause categories. Common categories include people, processes, equipment, materials, environment, and management. Brainstorm potential causes. For each category, list possible reasons for the problem. Analyze the diagram, prioritize the causes, and investigate further to find the root. This method is great for complex problems with multiple contributing factors. Let's put it all together with a step-by-step guide to conducting an RCA. 1. Assemble a team. Form a cross-functional team that includes individuals with first-hand knowledge of the process or problem. For example, if the issue involves production equipment, include operators, maintenance staff, and process engineers. A diverse team ensures a holistic perspective. 2. Define the problem. Be as specific as possible. Avoid vague statements like machine malfunction, and instead, use data to describe the issue. For example, the conveyor belt stopped on January 15th during the second shift, resulting in a 2-hour delay. Clear problem definitions set the stage for effective analysis. 3. Collect data. Gather all relevant information about the problem. This might include maintenance logs, process data, production schedules, or interviews with employees who witnessed the issue. Look for patterns or anomalies that might point to potential causes. 4. Choose an effective RCA tool. Apply structured tools like the 5 Whys or Fishbone Diagram to identify potential causes. For example, if using the Fishbone Diagram, list out causes under categories like equipment, processes, and environment. Discuss each cause with your team to assess its validity. 5. Find the root cause. Then test your findings to confirm you've identified the true root cause. This might involve conducting experiments, recreating the problem under controlled conditions, or analyzing additional data. For instance, if you suspect equipment wear is the cause, inspect the machinery or replace the suspected part to see if the issue resolves. 6. Develop and implement solutions. Brainstorm actionable solutions that directly address the root cause. Prioritize solutions based on their feasibility and impact. For example, if training deficiencies were identified, implement a targeted training program. Assign responsibilities and timelines for implementation. 7. Monitor and adjust. After implementing the solution, monitor the process to ensure the problem does not recur. Use control charts or other monitoring tools to track process performance. If the issue persists or new problems arise, revisit the analysis and adjust the solution as needed. Avoid these common pitfalls when conducting root cause analysis. Jumping to conclusions, don't settle for the first explanation without evidence. Blaming individuals, focus on process or procedure failures, not the people. Stopping too early, keep digging until you reach the true root cause. And lastly, lack of follow-up. Ensure solutions are implemented and monitored so that they aren't allowed to reoccur. Here's an example. A factory experienced frequent equipment breakdowns. Using the Fishbone Diagram, the team identified potential causes: improper maintenance, operator error, and outdated parts. By asking why, they discovered a lack of training led to incorrect machine setup. The solution, the maintenance process, required a revision to improve clarity, followed by comprehensive training and later evaluated with an effectiveness check. The result produced a reduction in breakdowns and improved productivity. Root cause analysis is an invaluable tool for continuous improvement. By understanding and addressing the true causes of problems, you can drive lasting change and enhance quality. Practice these techniques, and you'll see the difference they can make. Check out our other training videos in this series where we continue to delve deeper into the 6 pillars of total quality management, as well as tools, benefits, and how to implement TQM in your organization. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos from All Things Quality.